Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 16th, 2025, and we're diving into Tivic Health's first quarter 2025 financial results. Tivic Health, a diversified immunotherapeutics company, has recently released its earnings report, and we're here to break it down for you. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Tivic Health is at an interesting juncture with its strategic shift towards expanding its clinical pipeline, particularly with its recent licensing agreement for Entolimod and Entolimod. I'm excited to discuss their financial performance and strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Tivic Health reported a revenue of $70,000 for the first quarter of 2025, a significant drop from $334,000 in the same quarter last year. John, what are the key factors behind this decline?
The decline in revenue is primarily due to lower unit sales of Tivic's ClearUp device, which treats sinus pain and pressure. This drop is attributed to a 92% decrease in advertising expenses as the company redirected resources towards research and development, particularly for their new licensing agreements.
Despite the revenue drop, Tivic managed to maintain a gross margin of 72%, up from 50% last year. How did they achieve this?
The improved gross margin is a result of cost management and operational efficiencies. Even though sales were down, the company effectively controlled its cost of sales, which helped maintain a healthier margin.
Strategic initiatives and pipeline expansion. Moving on to strategic initiatives, Tivic Health has been busy expanding its clinical pipeline. Can you tell us more about their recent licensing agreement and its significance?
Absolutely. Tivic has executed a worldwide exclusive licensing agreement for Entolimod and its derivative, Entolimod. This is a significant move, as Entolimod has completed Phase 3 validation for treating acute radiation syndrome. The company is also exploring military and defense applications, which could open new revenue streams.
They've also made strides in their VNS program. What are the latest developments there?
Tivic's non-invasive vagus nerve stimulation program is showing promising results in treating inflammatory, cardiac, and neurologic disorders. They've created new intellectual property and expanded their optimization study, which could lead to breakthroughs in personalizing treatment effects.
And what about their financial position? How are they funding these initiatives?
Tivic has secured a $25 million equity line of credit and entered a purchase agreement for up to $8.4 million in securities. This funding is expected to support their manufacturing validation for Entolimod and upcoming VNS data readouts.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about operational efficiencies. Tivic's operating expenses remained flat at $1.6 million compared to last year. How does this impact their future outlook?
Maintaining flat operating expenses while expanding their pipeline is a positive sign. It shows that Tivic is managing its resources efficiently, which is crucial as they navigate this transformative phase.
And what about their cash position and balance sheet?
As of March 31st, 2025, Tivic had $669,000 in cash and cash equivalents, down from $2 million at the end of 2024. However, they raised $1.7 million post-quarter through an ATM offering. Importantly, they have no debt, which provides them with financial flexibility.
Key takeaways. In summary, Tivic Health is undergoing a significant transformation with its strategic pipeline expansion and financial maneuvers. While revenue has declined, the company is focusing on long-term growth through its new licensing agreements and VNS program. John, any final thoughts on Tivic's investment prospects?
Tivic's strategic initiatives position them well for future growth, especially with their focus on innovative treatments and securing necessary funding. Investors should keep an eye on their progress in clinical trials and regulatory approvals.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Tivic Health's performance in the comments below. Until next time.